First, I'd like to thank my buddy Wei Kun for helping me pick up this Silvia S15 from Forza Motorsport series and the 55 Gazelle from Drag Strip Demon series. Second, I'd like to clarify, these are not yet available from our packs. These are found in a hobby shop which import Hot Wheels at a slightly above retail price. This international assortment may make it to retail stores in Singapore or some other Asian countries, or perhaps never, given the poor and inefficient distribution by Mattel. I will also feature the 510 wagon which I just picked up in the next video, and the Chevy Gazelle in the third video. And now let's focus on the Forza Motorsports Nissan Silvia S15. It's a damaged card, but thankfully it doesn't matter to me because today I'm opening it. And you can see the rest of the cars in the series, which are quite a good selection. The card art is also very beautiful, but too bad it's a damaged card. And now let's free the Silvia out of its package. I like the weight of this casting, it's quite heavy because of its metal base. And I realized that this casting is a tad lower as well, which is good. This is a very nice wheel set, and it seems to look like a custom wheel set, but it's not. And I think it will be welcomed by many collectors, and it will fit very nicely into other JDM cars as well. And this will not be the very last time we will see this wheel set. The base is not painted, it's clean, and it's a made in Thailand casting, which is good. The silver comes with side mirror, which is fantastic, and a plastic spoiler, which is a bonus, given that now Hot Wheels try to integrate all this into one mold to cut costs. The tempo print on the head and rear lights are very detailed and very sharp, which I like. I also love the reverse right Forza Motorsports and Xbox logo on the body, and the multiple Forza Motorsports watermark on the side, which inject some nice design element onto the casting. The only thing I do not like about this Silvia is this big Forza logo on the bonnet. It's too big that it spoils the overall look and feel of the whole Silvia, which is such a shame, and I wish it's rather not there. When compared side by side with the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious R34 casting, which is a hotcake among all the collectors, the Silvia edge out, such as the side mirrors, plastic spoiler and metal base, which the R34 does not have. However, I feel that this Silvia can be further simplified, such as taking out that Forza logo and give a darker shade of blue on the body to make it richer and fiercer, just like the R34. Compared with the Hot Wheels Cars and Donuts Subaru Impreza, the Bugeye stands out with its rich body color, clear headlights and painted base. However, I like the overall stance of this Silvia and its new wheel set. Overall, these three JDMs are one of the best that Hot Wheels has ever made. These three castings, when presented together, pairs very well and complement each other. Thanks everyone, bye!